In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Iconify plugin in Figma. If you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Figma is an incredibly versatile tool for design, known for its collaborative features, and Iconify is one of the top plugins that can simplify your design process by providing access to a vast library of icons. First, let's open Figma. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so. Just head over to Figma's website and hit that login button. Logging in is straightforward, and once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. From here, the wealth of design possibilities unfolds. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the design section. Clicking on this option takes you straight into the heart of Figma's design interface, where you can work on existing projects or create new ones. This section is where all the magic happens, and soon you'll be enhancing it with the Iconify plugin. Next, we're going to dive deeper into the interface by going to the Action menu. This is where all the plugins are managed. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The more you use Figma, the more intuitive navigating these menus will become. In the Action menu, you'll have to search for Iconify. Simply type Iconify into the search bar and you should see it pop up as a result. Iconify is an incredibly powerful plugin that grants you access to thousands upon thousands of icons that you can use in your designs. This feature is particularly useful for web designers, UI/UX designers, and anyone who needs high quality vector icons. Once you find Iconify in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the plugin within your Figma document, bringing all those icons right at your fingertips. Now you have the power to browse a rich collection of icons and include them directly into your designs without ever leaving Figma. Finally, you're ready to run the plugin. With Iconify open, you can search for specific icons, categories, or simply browse through the available selection to see what fits best in your project. When you find the icon you need, it's as easy as clicking to insert it directly into your design canvas. And there you have it. Using Iconify in Figma is a breeze, and it can significantly optimize your design workflow, helping you bring your creative ideas to life faster and with more efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.